Hey friends, welcome back to yet another fresh vlog today. So today the vlog is about a device which I got for my car, which I wanted to install to keep it safe from rodents like rats, etc. Not that I have an issue here, but still I thought as a precautionary it will be good. So did some research and found that there is one device which is ARAI tested and approved, which is called Carcat. Right, this is the fourth generation of this particular device. So this device, this company has been manufacturing rat repellent for repellent devices for cars since 2015. So they have been in this business for about last decade or so. So they really know what they are doing about. So this is the fourth gen of this particular device and the latest one with all the improved technology. So it retails at an MRP of 4,950, and on Amazon, yes, you get it for about 4,250. I'm going to share the link in the description, so you can take a look at it if you are interested. So this one, what does it come with? So it comes with a beautiful box with all the benefits and the features of the product, etc., etc., and then a user manual, user guide, and then a set of cable ties and screws. So if you don't want to screw this into the car body, yes, you don't need to, you can just connect it with the cable ties. And this is the main device, what you see here. This is in its fourth generation, so the most latest one, I would say. So yeah, so it's totally sealed for the environment, so there's no question of heat or water, etc., impacting the functionality of the device. It's totally sealed, and the new version also comes with a fuse here. So, and yes, these are the connectors which need to go into the battery. So now, without wasting any further time, what I'm going to do is this device need to be placed in a forward motion to the buzzer, and there should be empty space of at least 8 inches. So I cannot do it behind the engine because there's no space of 8 inches there. So I don't want to do it there, it's a little bit busy over there. So I might install it here. Right, if I install it here, I'm going to have more than 8 inches available for the device to function properly. So yeah, so let's go ahead, loosen this nut, connect the cable, and then I'll show you how I route it there. So yeah, all right, so I've gone ahead and installed the device. Basically, I've connected the positive terminal to the positive of the battery and the negative terminal to the negative of the battery, and I have routed the cable this way, and the excess cable I have zip tied here, and the entire device itself has been installed with zip ties only, and I have not put any of the screws to tamper any of my car body, etc. So yeah, the device is working right now in the default mode. So when I say default mode, what's going to happen is it's going to keep working until the engine is in standby. So once I turn on the engine, the device is going to go into a standby mode. Right, when I say standby mode, the device will shut off, the Carcat will shut off, and the LED what's blinking over there will go completely green, indicating that it's in standby. So that is one feature which we want to test out. And also, secondly, after installing the device, I have measured the voltage of the battery. It's at 12.8, which is adequate, which is a healthy battery, I would say. So now let's go ahead and start the car once, and make a final check in terms of okay, in terms of the device going into standby mode, and also the charging voltage what we see here on the device. So let's do that. Okay, now you see the device has gone into the standby mode. That means that it is no more acting as a repellent. Obviously it doesn't need to act as a repellent when the car engine is running, you're on the move. so a rodent cannot attack your cables when your car is running, of course, right? So that's the logic behind that. And now let's see the charging voltage. The charging current at idling is about 13.7, 13.6, so that is adequate. So usually the optimum charging voltage from the rectifier comes in at about 1000 or 2000 rpm in most of the vehicles, which would show at 14.2 ideally. So at idling, yeah, this is good. So yeah, so this completes our installation, and yeah, I'm going to monitor and see. Not that I had rodents in my car, but I shouldn't have it even now because I have the device installed as well. So yeah, that's pretty much, my friends. So thank you so much for tuning in. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Happy to clarify your questions and doubts. Thank you.